Hello! Today, guys, let me tell you something. We are having a different cooking. You know what? I got this gift and I want to share with you firsthand. Let's open together. It's a surprise to all of us. Something we are going to use in the future. But for now, come over. 1, 2, 3. And then you know what? I'm going to have a very special person with me today. I'm going to have my best friend, Nani, the owner of Nalani Botanics, guys. So it's gonna be awesome. 1, 2. Oh no, let me say something. Let me call her in to open with me. So, Nani, come over. Hi.
Hey, so happy to be here.
Good. So let's pull together.
All right.
In a count of 3.
You sure this time?
Yes, this time is for good. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Wow.
What do we see here, Nani?
Pizza heaven.
Pizza heaven. Oven Ooni. This is such a nice gift, guys. My husband gave it to me and it took so long to come here. So now we got it open. Let's open. Let's get a knife.
Yeah, we need a knife or scissors.
Very nice knife. Woohoo! Let me get another knife.
Let's see what this baby looks like. So excited. Ooh, you have a cookbook. Look at this.
Oh my goodness! So it will teach us
Awesome.
with the recipe
Look at
for
that.
the pizza.
How to do the dough, different pizza ideas. That's great. And your warranty.
What is this thing? Oh,
the stone that it goes on.
This is the stone that goes inside. So let's put that thing aside.
Okay. Oh, it's not heavy at all.
No, it's not heavy.
No, look. It's very light.
Oh,
Take
my
it. Yes. Look at that. There it is.
There it is.
Super simple.
All right, so next time.
So this is like having one of those brick ovens in your backyard, yeah?
Yeah. Or
Works the same way?
You can have inside the home though, because we use gas. We are gonna connect it later on the gas outside. And then by this time, we're gonna make our dough. And this week, we are gonna try our first Ooni pizza. Thank you so much, guys, for participating in this special moment. Yeah, and with my best friend, Nani, owner of Nalani Botanics. Nani, thank you so much for opening with me.
It was a pleasure.
Okay, what do you think?